Hello, hi friends, welcome back to the channel. मैं हूँ रितिका दुगापाल from my channel Ritu Vlogs, and here I am again with the Flinto box review as because I had just completed with the 4th month box with Prisha and I am just amazed as usual. The 3rd month review I was not able to share with you all as half of the activities were performed in India and half of the activity was here in Abidjan, so I was not able to accommodate all the things. Yeah, but I am here with the 4th month review. Recently someone has came from India and I had demanded the 3-month box again, and yes, they are here. So yeah, again I'm going to share with you all the next 3 months activities. I had already shared on my channel the 2-box review. The first was on the market based theme and the second one was animal safari. Animal safari was superb, market was superb, and this is the 4th month which is a nature detective based. I'm going to share with you all the activities which Prisha has performed during this 4th month. I hope you will get an idea about this Flinto box, how it is based on, how the activities has been designed for the kids, and they are really amazing. So don't miss out the activities, check the vlog till the end to get all the activities information.
So let's begin, and you can see this is a hand printed peacock. Then we have a clay made crocodile, some puzzles. Obviously the 5 little ducks went out one day, and some fishing activity with a pond picture. With this picture we can make them recognize the duck, the pond, the tree surrounding it, the flowers, fish. Then we have 2 storybooks. This is a sun activity. Obviously here with the clay we had make a bird and the egg, the nest. This all things are provided by the Flinto box in a packets. Like a day activity has been distributed. Here we have a sunflower. Then we have a tree, paper stick tree. On the bird here we had stick the feathers. Here are some flashcards in which they had given us some birds. Also they have a 3 journal books. Here you can see the first one is a sticker book that we had already finished and we had stick to the activities book. Then you have an activities that is nature detective. So here the Prisha has painted the tree with the help of leaf stamp color. So here they had given a stamp which you have to dip in the green color, and like this you have to perform the activities with kit. Here we can teach them the number of colors, number of fruits. These are the stickers has been stick mango, grapes, strawberry. This activity is left by me because I'm searching for this kind of leaves. Then we have a square shaped leaf, then apple, a triangle leaves. This almost stickers has been stick by Prisha herself, and this helps to children to recognize what the things are, like whether it is a fruit, a bird, a duck. They are able to recognize the shapes. These are the animal activities. And also in an online lecture they explain you the rhymes that you can say with the children's. Here are the circles and triangles. So the kids are very easy to understand the shapes. Now slowly they are starting with the letter, like C for carrot, A for apple. They had given this kind of thread to stick on the letters. I left with this activity. Here she has made a mountain with the clay. Then we have a birds with a different colors. They had given us stickers. Also they had given a rhyme on this, so kids can sing a rhyme and stick along. Here are the small and big eggs they had given to stick, so kids can recognize what is small and what is big picture. Now here was an apple stamp that has been provided. Prisha has completed both the page. Sometime I let her do what she wants to do, that she is not bored with the activities. So here was an apple stamp, a dot on the deer. So this all stickers have been provided. Now this was a great activity. They had given something like sticks and we have to make a lion hair. So this is made by Prisha. Almost 60% she has made by herself, and she enjoyed the activity a lot. Then we have this crocodile. This crocodile color has also been done by Prisha. I will show you how she has done the activity. I took small clips of the activities when she was performing the same. Then here they had given a sand to stick on a duck and a fish like this. Then here we have a colors based animals, fruits and birds. So on the basis of colors you have to stick the same and you can recall them what the particular thing is. I left with this activity. I have to use this stamp to color the leaves. Here are the small clippings that I am sharing with you while Prisha was performing the activity. So you can check it out. Yes, she is doing by herself. She is 2 years 5 months old now. Here we are trying to make a fish and a duck with the handprint. This is the bird where we have to stick the feathers. So glue and everything has been provided by them, and just we have to perform the activity. Here she is coloring the sunflower leaf. So the scrubber has been provided to color. All the activities has been distributed in 12 days in a month, and also the bonus activities are also be given that you can perform with the kids. So here Prisha is doing color to a crocodile with a finger, and then such a rubber was given, a bubble wrap, from which you have to do a brown color to the crocodile. So she was performing the same and then sticking the eyes. Also she has used the hands to make a peacock feathers. So blue and green color, with the blue and green colors you can see how she is making a feather. Then here with the clay she is making a mountain. Here is the fishing activities and a rhyme session. So they had given something like this to catch the fish. The next alphabet session where she has doing an apple stamp, that is A for apple. You can sing along with her so she will able to recognize that it is an A for apple. Here there are mango, grapes and strawberry stickers that we have to stick. You can count the number of grapes, number of strawberry, number of mangoes. So this helps us to count the numbers also, and the shape is, you can check it out how she is sticking the same. So last but not the least, the lion activities where we have to make the hairs of the lion with the stick provided. And this was a fun month and Prisha had enjoyed all the activities. Some of the activities are left to be done. We are going to complete the same soon. I hope you liked the video and it was useful to you. Soon we are going to start up with the 4th month, and the 4th month theme is the transportation. So stay tuned. Till then, goodbye, be happy, be healthy and stay safe. Do share the video with the parents who need such activities to be done with the kids.